Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to remove the sidebar in WordPress. In this guide you will learn how to access your website's dashboard, navigate to the site editor, and remove an unwanted sidebar from your layout. This process should take you approximately 5 minutes, and by the end you will have a cleaner, more focused design for your website. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to your WordPress website. Once the homepage loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. Clicking on this login option is the first step in accessing the administrative dashboard that lets you modify your site. After clicking login, you will be presented with various signing options. For a simplified process, choose to sign in using your Google account. Click on the option that says Continue with Google, and a window will open prompting you to select the Google account you want to use. Simply choose the account associated with your website to proceed. Using your Google account not only saves time but also enhances security by reducing the need to create and remember additional passwords. Once your account is successfully linked and you are signed in, look for the Quick Links section on your dashboard. Within this section you will see a link or button labelled Edit Site. Clicking on this option will launch the site editor, an intuitive interface that lets you visually manage the layout and design of your website. This editor is particularly useful because it allows you to see changes as you make them, providing immediate feedback on your design adjustments. Within the site editor, focus your attention on your website layout until you locate the sidebar. Typically the sidebar is a vertical area that may host widgets or extra links, and removing it can make your main content more prominent. When you click on the sidebar, it will become highlighted, indicating that it is selected for editing. This selection is an important step because it signals to the system that any subsequent actions will affect this particular element of the design. Now that the sidebar is selected, you are ready to remove it. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and then press the backspace key. This combination of keys will instantly delete the sidebar from your layout. Once the sidebar is removed, you may notice that the page preview updates immediately to reflect the change. This quick method allows you to efficiently eliminate elements that are no longer needed without going through multiple menus or settings. Throughout this tutorial, you have learned how to sign into WordPress using your Google account, navigate to the quick links for editing your site, and remove the sidebar using a simple keyboard shortcut. By understanding and applying these steps, you can streamline your website design and achieve a minimalist look that can improve user navigation. Enjoy experimenting with your new layout and refining your design to better suit your content and audience.